Let me give you some tips on what you can use in order to open the SIM tray on Xiaomi 15T Pro without using the SIM eject tool. So if your eject tool is lost or broken, then in this case there are some alternatives that we can use in order to put it into this SIM tray hole and eject the SIM tray. Of course, in my case, I do have my SIM eject tool, but there are many different tools that we can use instead. Essentially, we are looking for something sturdy so that it doesn't break when we use a little bit of force, and also something small enough so that it actually fits this little hole that we have on the SIM tray. This can be, for example, a paper clip. You can unbend a small paper clip and use the pointed end to put it into the SIM tray hole. This can be a small stud earring with a thin post. It can also sometimes fit into the hole. A thin safety pin can be used to press it into the eject hole over here. If you have a mechanical pencil, if the lead is retracted, the metal tip of a mechanical pencil may work as well. And also, if you have like a sturdy toothpick, preferably a plastic one, then it can be helpful if inserted carefully. So once you have your alternative tool, we can just put it into this SIM tray hole and then use a little bit of force so that, of course, the SIM tray pops out. And then we're gonna use fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.